As home inspectors, we're often asked to do multiple types of reports on a single property by a client. For example, in Florida, it's really common for the home inspector to not only do the home inspection report, but also a four-point inspection and maybe some other types of reports. So we have added the ability to import the inspection data from one report into a new report to help fill out all the information quickly so you don't have to do double work. For our example here, we've done a sample inspection for Shelley Beecher, and we've been in here, we've done the report, and you can tell when we open it up, it's all been completed. A lot of additional items have been added to this Florida detailed home inspection that we'll also be using on a 4-point, so you can collect it all at once. And when it's time to create the 4-point for Miss Shelley Beecher here, we just go in and add a new inspection, and we'll select the 4-point, the new Florida 4-point. And it's a blank report. You can tell it has not been set up at all, or nothing's been entered into it. We tap on the gear icon and we can import the inspection data from another one that we've already done. So here is the home inspection report we did for Shelley. If we tap on that, it will copy over everything that matches in both reports. It won't import everything from the detailed, but only the sections and items that match in both reports. So it's already put all the photos in, it's completed all of the checklist items, and we have a fully complete 4-point inspection just by importing the data.